Hello guys, today I will teach you how to make a tire inside a Maya. So let's start. First of all, we will click on create polygon primitives. Here we will take a pipe. When we take it, we will just decrease its size like this. Click on here. Where is a poly pipe? Yes. Its thickness is about 0.3. Yeah. Subdivision, it's okay. Now we will rotate it on a 90-degree z-axis. Sorry, rotation is 90-degree. Here you can see. First of all, we will do two things. The edges of this pipe, we will select all the edges, press tab key and double click. Sorry, with the shift key. Again, press tab, then shift, double click. Same here. Again here, shift, double click, and then control B. Here you can see we can just add segments here. Okay, if you can see, it's like a shape of a tire. But first of all, mesh tool, insert edge loop with one edge here, scale like this. Again, press it here, mesh tool, insert the edge loop, but multi-edge. We will click on this box here. Here you can see, change it to multiple edges like 4. 4 is okay for now. Yeah, Q, press Q to deselect. Now select faces. Or we can duplicate it, like I think it's not too much. We again come here, third edge loop, it should be, I think, 8. Let's see. Yes, now it's okay. Press Q, face, press shift, double click, shift, double click, shift, double click, shift, double click. Now when you select all these faces, after that press Ctrl E to extrude, then press R key for scaling. Now we, we will scale down these faces, if you can see, like this. Here you can see we just make a simple tire. One more thing, we should insert edge loops. Sorry, mesh tool, we are here, it's selected. Now we again press this relative distance from edge, this one edge loop here, the one edge loop here. Press W and a little bit like this, and this edge, shift, double click like this. We can also see this in a front view. Yeah, it's okay. Here again, a perspective view. Like this, how we can make a simple low poly tire. Add a material, lumber material. Materials. If you can see, we got it. You can also uh, can also take this one edge if you want to smooth it more. But I think for a low poly it's okay. So we can render it, and it will, it's okay, it's showing it. One more thing, we select this plane, distribute a plane, Z one by one, take this edge, Control E. We are doing it so quickly just to understand. Can just take this one edge and Control B and add a segment. If you want to get a very good result, then you can take a Arnold materials and using Arnold render, but this for now we are just using a simple render. Yes, here is a Tyre, if you can see it. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for further videos like this. It's a start. In start we will make very simple videos and very low poly like this type. After all this work, we will move towards go towards some high poly models. Now this is a low poly tire. So thank you for watching again.